welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, reminding all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, starting the top stories of the day with the headlines. Alia, Ranbir, Ananya and Ishan attend Deepika Padukone's birthday party. Are Ishan and Ananya the newest couple in town? Jacqueline Fernandez is excited about working with Ranveer, Salman and Akshay in 2021. NCB continues investigation, calls Arjun Rampal's sister for questioning. Taimur spotted as he accompanies his father Saif to the gym.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
दीपिका पादुकोण ने अपना 35th बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया। आलिया, रणबीर, अनन्या, करण जौहर, ईशान खट्टर और सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी के साथ। Not surprisingly, her star-studded birthday party has become the talk of the town. Deepika Padukone started her career as a model before making her big Bollywood debut in 2007 with Om Shanti Om opposite the superstar Shah Rukh Khan. Over the years, the stunning diva has seen several professional ups and downs, battled mental health issues, but emerged as one of the most highly paid and most successful stars in Bollywood. As she turns 35, Deepika is gearing up to act in a pan-India magnum opus alongside Prabhas and will also reportedly be working with SRK again in Pathaan. But for now, she is completing an untitled film being directed by Shakun Batra that also stars Ananya Pandey and Siddhant Chaturvedi. The actor also cut a cake with press photographers and spent some quality time with husband Ranveer Singh during the day, making it a really special birthday.
Thank you.
Ranveer Singh seems to have pulled out all the stops in making Deepika's birthday as special as possible. The actor shared 2 special social media posts to shower love on his wife. In the first post, Ranveer shared an adorable throwback picture of Deepika as a baby and captioned his post, "My Jaan, my life, my Gudiya. Happy birthday." Later in the evening, as he geared up to celebrate her birthday with their high-profile industry friends, Ranveer shared another picture of the birthday girl looking glamorous in smoky eye makeup and wished his BV number 1 a very happy birthday. The couple was spotted earlier in the day as they stepped out for a birthday meal together. The two were dressed in chic casuals and it looks like Ranveer ने अपना पूरा दिन अपनी बीवी के साथ सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए ब्लॉक किया था। After spending the morning with his Jaan, Ranveer और दीपिका ने अपने कुछ दोस्तों के लिए एक शानदार बर्थडे ऑर्गेनाइज की थी, which saw the who's who of Bollywood attending. Alia and Ranbir attended the do, with Alia looking super chic in an all-black outfit and Ranbir keeping it simple in black trousers and a white shirt. Alia and Ranbir were joined by Alia's sister Shaheen, who also chose an all-black look for the party. But while Alia went all-black, Ananya Pandey, जो दीपिका की अगली फिल्म में उनकी co-star है, opted for an all-white outfit as she made an entry with her mentor and family friend Karan Johar, who was dressed in an interesting printed shirt. Ananya's rumored boyfriend and Khali Pili co-star Ishan Khattar was also seen at the bash, and the two even exited the party together, raising plenty of eyebrows about whether they were dating each other. Also also spotted at the birthday bash with Deepika's co-star Dhairya Karwa, director Ayan Mukherjee, Ranveer Singh's sister Ritika Bhavnani and other colleagues. Deepika really seems to have had a super special birthday party and we hope कि 2021 भी उनके लिए बहुत खास हो। Ananya Pandey and Ishaan Khattar, the newest couple in Bollywood? The two young actors who took a vacation to the Maldives together were spotted hand in hand as they exited Deepika Padukone's birthday bash, and their frequent sightings with each other have sent rumor mills into overdrive. Ananya Pandey and Ishaan Khattar worked together in Khali Pili last year, and it seems like the couple have not just stayed in touch but also become more than just co-stars and good friends. The sweet young jodi first grabbed attention when they were spotted leaving for the Maldives together to bring in the new year. Though they didn't post any snaps of themselves together, समझदार को social media ही काफी है. Snaps have since then gone viral of the two posing with the hotel staff together, and when they were spotted returning together from their vacation, हमारे सारे doubts clear हो गए. Ananya Pandey and Ishaan Khattar, who raised on-screen temperatures with their chemistry in Khali Pili, also seem to have found love off-screen. Thanks to lockdown restrictions, the couple wasn't spotted romancing around the city. Lekin now that restrictions have eased and travel is possible, it seems like the couple is also not worrying about keeping their blossoming relationship under wraps anymore. While they were just friends and co-stars during the filming of Khali Pili, it looks like taking a holiday together is a big step forward for the pair. किसी ने सच ही कहा है, प्यार छुपाए नहीं छुपता. Pictures have now emerged from their spa session in the Maldives, where they clicked photos with the hotel staff in white dressing gowns. It looks like the two also turned photographers for each other, and whether it was Ananya in her exotic resort wear or Ishaan enjoying the relaxing atmosphere by the sea, it looks like the jodi really enjoyed their time together away from the hustle and bustle of Mumbai. Adding fuel to their relationship rumors, the couple were also spotted together at Deepika Padukone's birthday bash. Ananya party में आई तो थी Karan Johar के साथ, but she was spotted exiting the party with none other than her bae Ishaan. Ishaan was spotted giving Ananya his arm as she slowly climbed out the steps in her stunning pink heels. The two walked hand in hand up to their car और एक अच्छे बॉयफ्रेंड की तरह उन्हें प्यार से गाड़ी में भी बिठाया. Looks like the two are not just hanging around with each other in Khali Pili anymore. And there is some serious ishq-wishq pyar-vyar blossoming here. Jacqueline Fernandez is one of the busiest stars in the business, with 4 back-to-back films lined up for filming and release in 2021. The very hot and super fit Jacqueline Fernandez has become one of Bollywood's most sought-after female actors. जैकी जिन्होंने मॉडलिंग से अपने करियर की शुरुआत की थी, आज अक्षय कुमार, रणवीर सिंह और सलमान खान जैसे स्टार्स के साथ फिल्में कर रही है. She was filming through Diwali for Bhoot Police and has started the new year by joining the crew of Circus. इसके बाद वो चल पड़ेंगी राजस्थान to shoot her scenes for Bachchan Pandey, after which she reunites with Salman for Kick 2. Sounds like quite a jam-packed schedule. Take a look. Jacqueline has seen her share of career highs and lows, but it seems like the actor is finally coming into her own in Bollywood. After spending a part of the lockdown with Salman Khan at his farm before returning to Mumbai, and eventually resuming work, Jacqueline suddenly finds herself with no time to breathe. पिछले साल जैकलिन ने भूत पुलिस पे काम शुरू किया. The film also stars सैफ अली खान, अर्जुन कपूर and यामी गौतम. भूत पुलिस का एक स्केड्यूल खत्म करने के बाद जैकलिन ने नए साल की शुरुआत की सर्कस के पागलपन के साथ. Jacqueline will be a part of the Rohit Shetty film that stars Ranveer Singh and Pooja Hegde as the other female lead. But 2021 will also see her work in two big-budget projects, Bachchan Pandey and Kick 2. The team of Bachchan Pandey has started work in Jodhpur, लेकिन Jacqueline उन्हें February में ही join कर पाएंगी after she finishes work on Circus and Bhoot Police. But while she may be exhausted, जैकलिन बहुत खुश है कि उन्हें एक ही साल में अक्षय और सलमान दोनों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला है. Speaking about working with Akshay again, Jacqueline said, "With Akshay, you get to learn so much when it comes to acting, comedy and fitness. The film also stars Kriti, who is such a cool person. I am happy to have a girlfriend on the sets." Jacqueline is also happy to be working with her dear friend Salman Khan again in the sequel of Cake, जिसके first edition में भी वो थी. I am excited to get back to working with Salman, that too in the sequel of a film that changed the course of my career. The script is ready and we will be probably going on the floors by mid-2021. While she is obviously tired of shooting non-stop, Jacqueline बहुत खुश है कि उन्हें 4 बिग बैनर फिल्मों में काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है. And we are sure that all her fans are happy too. The NCB continues to investigate the connections between peddlers of banned substances and celebrities in the media and entertainment business. The NCB was brought into the investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's demise after chats were found by the Enforcement Directorate that indicated a procurement and consumption of banned substances by Sushant and his partner Rhea Chakraborty. Rhea spent a month in jail before being released, and over the past several months, the NCB has interrogated Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Rakul Preet Singh. Arjun Rampal is now facing investigation after certain banned substances were procured from his home. So far, the agency has made 25 arrests and is allegedly preparing a charge sheet in the case after completing a second round of interrogations. Here are the top updates from their investigation. First, Arjun Rampal's sister Komal summoned by NCB. The NCB has been hot on Arjun Rampal's trail ever since his girlfriend's brother was arrested with banned substances in his possession. Arjun के घर में भी NCB ने रेड की थी, where certain banned medications were procured. The prescription Arjun provided was allegedly backdated, and hence the NCB is continuing their probe into the actor's links with suppliers of banned substances. After questioning him and his partner Gabriella, the NCB have now summoned Arjun's sister Komal for questioning. Second, Shruti Modi interrogated by NCB. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's former manager Shruti Modi was summoned by the NCB to record an additional statement. Shruti को पिछले साल मुंबई पुलिस, CBI, ED और NCB की दिल्ली टीम ने भी क्वेश्चन किया था. Given her proximity to Sushant and Rhea and her awareness of their personal and professional dealings, Shruti का statement इस केस के लिए काफी important हो सकता है. Third, Rumi Jaffrey says Rhea will bounce back. Rhea Chakraborty was named as the main accused in the FIR filed by Sushant Singh Rajput's father, where he accused her of siphoning off his son's money and abetting his demise. After a harrowing few months where she battled an intense trial by media and multiple sessions of questioning by various agencies, Rhea is now out on bail. Rumi Jafri, whose next film Chehre stars Amitabh Bachchan, Imran Hashmi and Riya Chakraborty, has said in an interview कि वो रिया को लेके बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है। उन्हें लगता है कि सारे सेटबैक्स के बावजूद she will bounce back and rebuild her career. Chehre, in the meanwhile, will release theatrically this year. Saif was spotted with little Taimur as he stepped out to work out at a gym in the Mumbai suburbs. Saif Ali Khan, who seems to be preparing for his next film Adi Purush, has been working out regularly and looks stylish, wearing a bandana and a mask with a casual t-shirt and shorts. Saif Ali Khan has been enjoying some great luck in his career recently with back-to-back films Tanhaji and Jawani Janiman proving to be successful. The dapper star is also one of the few leading Bollywood actors who is also working in shows that stream on an OTT platform. The quad father, who is all set to become a papa for the 4th time soon, was busy filming for Bhoot Police towards the end of last year and had a low-profile Christmas and New Year's break in Mumbai, spending time with Kareena, Taimur and their extended families. Saif has always been one of the most stylish actors in Bollywood and has become well known for keeping things casual and classic when he is not filming. Usually dressed in his classic white kurta pajama combination or wearing other classic cuts and designs, Saif can also rock a casual t-shirt and shorts look with little effort. And of course, जब तैमूर साथ हो तो वैसे भी सारी attention उन पे ही रहती है. The Nawab made a new style statement when he turned his bandana into a face mask, since stepping out without a mask is still not allowed in Mumbai. Saif was spotted as he went to his gym for a workout और लगता है कि तैमूर ने भी अपने बाबा के साथ एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए ज्वाइन किया है. The Tanhaji actor was clicked by photographers as he travelled in his car with Taimur, and it looks like Saif's gym sessions are becoming an occasion for the two to spend some time together. लगता है पापा Saif soon to be mommy Kareena की भी help कर रहे हैं as she gears up to welcome baby number 2 while completing her work commitments and getting their dream house ready. लगता है Saif अपनी अगली फिल्म आदि पुरुष की तैयारियों में लग गए हैं, and according to sources, the role of Lankesh, the lead antagonist, will require the actor to be at his fittest. Saif is also looking forward to the release of his next web series, which releases this month on a leading OTT platform. While Saif didn't wave to the media or pose for pictures as he reached the gym, Taimur spotted the paparazzi but chose not to react either. Taimur had also accompanied Saif and Kareena to Dalhousie recently, where Saif was shooting for Bhoot Police. While Saif was busy working all day, Kareena and Taimur were spotted walking and taking pottery or cooking classes.
Press and
We can't wait to see Saif's first look as Lankesh and also to meet cute little Taimur's little brother or sister who promises to be just as adorable as him. प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में अब वक्त हो गया है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, लेकिन आप कहीं मत जाइए क्योंकि ब्रेक के बाद भी बाकी है बहुत कुछ खास. Stay with us. Television and social media celebrities are always looking for ways to stay in the news. और जब बात आती है कपल्स की, तो फिर लिंकअप हो, डेटिंग लाइफ हो, शादी या फिर अनफॉर्चुनेट ब्रेकअप, उनके रिश्ते से जुड़ा हर हाई और लो पॉइंट अक्सर छप जाता है टैबलॉइड्स में. While earlier movie stars were considered the only real celebrities, television and social media have created a whole new group of celebrities whose social media following can rival any A-list superstar. स्पेशली जब बात आती है कपल्स और उनके अप डाउन होते रिलेशनशिप की। Fans and followers are always interested in knowing all the details. So here are television and social media celebrity couples who were in the news recently. गौहर खान और ज़ैद दरबार की शादी को सिर्फ 2 हफ्ते हुए हैं। And it looks like अभी से ज़ैद अपनी बीवी से ज्यादा अपने फोन पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं, लेकिन उनकी बेगम गौहर भी अपने पति का अटेंशन पाना खूब जानती है। गौहर has recently posted a video जहां वो डांस करके अपने हस्बैंड का ध्यान अपनी ओर खींच रही है। And we have to say that this new married jodi who are twinning in the video look adorable. Gauhar captioned her post, Mora Pia. What do you think he is distracted with on the phone? Wedding pics or superhero shows? #filmy, #twinning. Aditya married his sweetheart of over a decade in a low-key wedding ceremony, and the couple recently returned from their honeymoon in Kashmir. Now it seems like Shweta will be making her first small screen appearance as Aditya's wife, and she will be accompanied by her in-laws Udit and Deepa Narayan. According to sources, Aditya और Shweta उदित जी के गाए रोमांटिक ट्रैक्स पे डांस करेंगे। Ali and Jasmine have always maintained that they are the best of friends and nothing more. But their comfort level and emotional response when they saw each other after a long time perhaps indicates deeper feelings. लेकिन जब Ali के एक दोस्त से दोनों की रिलेशनशिप के बारे में पूछा गया, he said that there was no romance brewing between the two before they joined the reality show hosted by Salman Khan. Ali को बचपन से जानने वाले उनके दोस्त का कहना है कि लोग दोनों के इक्वेशन को समझ नहीं पाते हैं। While there are chances their bond deepened during the lockdown when they were away from family, Ali के दोस्त का मानना है कि दोनों के बीच आज भी सिर्फ दोस्ती है। Rakhi Sawant's husband has never been seen by anyone but her. She claims he refuses to appear in public, and according to her comments in a recent episode of a reality show she is doing, he hasn't bothered to visit her in 1.5 years. Rakhi, who has been keeping audiences engaged with her antics on the reality show hosted by Salman Khan, goes so far as to say that she is ready to give the man she married a divorce. She was seen venting her feelings to Abhinav, जिन्हें वो बताती है कि अब उनके दिल में अपने हस्बैंड के लिए कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं है। But in a shocking twist, Rakhi was seen confessing that she found Abhinav very attractive and wondering if one-sided affection for a married man is a problem. Well, Rakhi, इसका जवाब शायद रुबीना आपको दे पाएंगी। Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. You guys stay home, stay safe.